Hey everyone, welcome back to the desert garden. I was a little under the weather when I filmed this video, so we'll be doing a voiceover today. Right now, it's towards the end of September and the weather has been so nice. All the plants are really appreciating it and everything is looking very green and lush. The garden is continuing to produce for us and providing us with so much beauty as well. It's so interesting to see how the different times during the season lead to producing different things in the garden. This particular time of year is very special to us as it produces a lot of our unique vegetables in our desert garden. One of those vegetables is this hyacinth bean. Sometimes used as an ornamental plant, this beautiful vine takes over my entire trellis and produces these beautiful upright flowers. The pollinators absolutely love these flowers, and they eventually lead to these gorgeous and delicious bean pods. But most importantly, this time of the season leads to our long-awaited gourds. My favorite in particular, the loofah gourd. I have several reasons why the loofah gourd is my favorite. First, look at these beautiful, sunny and cheerful bright yellow flowers. The pollinators go absolutely crazy over these flowers. Must be the sweet, sweet nectar inside. I'll often even see the bumblebees literally fighting to get the nectar from these flowers. Thanks to my pollinators, I've never had to even hand pollinate a loofah gourd. Once pollination is complete, the flower will fall off and you'll start seeing that the fruit attached to the flower starts getting bigger and longer, and it's so exciting because you know the fruit is coming soon. Now you'll see ants running up and down this entire plant and all the fruit, but that's completely okay. They do no harm or damage to this plant. In fact, I don't think I've ever seen any pests damage or bother this plant. These vines are beautiful, prolific, and absolutely disease and pest resistant. We have so many loofahs that we're forming. Soon enough, you'll see that the loofah continues to grow, and they actually grow fairly quickly. Within a few days, you start seeing formation of the fruit. And it's so cool to just see them hanging everywhere. Now, loofah is best known for making scrubs, but it is definitely a South Asian delicacy. So we like to pick them before they're too big so that we can enjoy them as a nice healthy vegetable. Now, if I were wanting to make scrubs out of the loofahs, I would just let them get full grown, and I might do that with some of the ones at the very end of the season. Now, if you're wanting to pick them to eat them, I would pick them at about this size. I would say this is more or less 15 inches or about 40 centimeters. And you also want to squeeze the loofah gently just to kind of check. It should be a little bit spongy, but not feeling too hollow and not too solid either. As you can see, my loofah plant has quickly taken over my trellis, and these fruits are such a joy to just look at hanging through the entire trellis system here. The other favorite gourd of ours is bottle gourd. Now, this can sometimes be known for making bottles, but we also picked this for a delicious, healthy vegetable treat. This vegetable is a staple in my garden, and I like to compare it to squash, but in my opinion it tastes better than squash, and you don't ever have to deal with any squash bugs. The only pest I've had to deal with on my bottle gourd are occasional caterpillars, for which I use BT spray. But that's about it, guys. I just wanted to show you a quick update of what's going on in the desert garden and this awesome gourd harvest. This was such an amazing and satisfying harvest for me, and it's so exciting to know that there's still so much more to come in the garden. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can see some more of the harvest before the season ends. See you next time.